Cotton. Superior comfort, queen pillows have a 250 thread count cotton cover filled with a soft 100% polyester fill. One of the best first apartment or new home essentials gift for bedroom, guest bedroom, college dorm or house decor. Keep cool if you easily overheat, or maybe you're looking for cool queen-size pillows for night sweats. The breathability of our standard bed pillow can offer welcome relief. Safe and sound, these fluffy bed pillows are made in an OEKO-TEX Standard Certified factory that ensures textiles meet high safety and environmental standards. Easy clean. Unlike memory foam pillows, our pillow for side sleepers is designed to make life as easy. Simply pop them in the washer and tumble dry. No-shift design. Whether you're a back, side, or stomach sleeper, our cooling pillows for sleeping can accommodate. The plush bounce-back design of this pillow will keep its shape in any position.